Alright guys, today we're testing out something that could either sound insane or totally be a flop. I got these turbo whistles from Temu, the small, medium and the large turbo whistles, and we're gonna be strapping it onto the Corolla exhaust tip and see how it sounds. And that's the aftermarket exhaust tips. And we're going to be starting from the baby turbo whistle all the way to the large turbo whistle, and we're gonna see if there's a difference in the three whistles or it's just Temu hype. But before we jump in, a quick shout out to today's sponsor, Dobby Energy. If you're like me, always out filming, wrenching, or just need that focused boost, Dobby's got clean energy drinks with no jitters and no crash. I've been trying their flavors honestly. They taste way better than the mainstream stuff. Plus, if you click the link in my description and use my code, you will get 10% off your order. And it also supports the channel, so I can keep bringing you these crazy experiments. So check them out, you won't regret it. Now let's fire up the Corolla and see what these Temu whistles are all about. Let's see what it sounds like without the turbo whistle, then we'll put on the turbo whistle. And that's how it sounds like with no turbo whistle. Now let's install the smallest turbo whistle and see what it sounds like. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I do actually hear a difference. Not big though, maybe that's because that's a small one, but like, there's a difference. I do hear the whistle like at the beginning, whew, before it then does exhaust. It does work for me, in my opinion. I do hear it. I don't know whether other people don't hear it, but like I actually do hear it, and it actually sounds good. I'm not gonna lie, it does sound good. A little bit though, not that much. But now we're gonna go to the medium and see how that one sounds. Is there a difference from the small to the medium to the big? We'll find out. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know whether it's my ears, but it sounded as if it was much more lower than the smallest one. And this is the medium one, so you expect it to sound a little bit more higher, but like, it sounded lower for some reason. I don't know why, if it's my ear or what, but yeah, I still think don't never get this. This is just for experiments. Like, never get this, don't waste your money on this. But yeah, I'm just experimenting it to show you guys so you don't get it. But now we're gonna put the biggest one and see if that's a huge difference, but I doubt it. To be honest, there is a little difference, but not that much. Like, you can't notice it. Like, it's just a little bit, but still. Maybe it's because I was in the driver's seat and I wasn't at the back hearing it. Maybe that's why. Maybe that's why. But yeah, there is a little bit different. But yeah, that's the 3 turbo whistles from the small, medium, and big. Is like, don't buy it. Like, I'm actually serious. Don't buy it. Like, it's a waste of money. It's just cheap and literally no, you won't get any turbo sounds, so there's no point. But yeah, that's the 3 turbo whistle. And if you want more of car videos for this car and the GR86, let me know in the comments down below what type of car you want, what type of videos you want, and subscribe and like the video, and I'll see you guys in the next time. Bye.